Good work, Judith.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Recording?
My name is Natasha Pierre. Middle school. When you hear these words, the first thing that pops into your head is middle school students. Middle school is where it all comes together to start a new chapter in our life. We make friends, enemies, and more enemies. This is the end of us acting like children and the start of us acting like adults. We grew up together and threw sand in each other's faces and told on each other. Now we stick up for each other and still act like kindergartners, according to Miss C anyway. We grew into one, and now it's time to start growing up as one. This was one crazy roller coaster ride that we all experienced together as one. We still have another chapter to go through until we reach the real world. And no, not the television show Oscar. Now the 7th graders are taking our spot, and the 6th graders are taking theirs. They will do just as great as we did in middle school because of the amazing teachers they had leading their way up to the stage. I just want to say thanks to the teachers who led us up to the stage no matter how much trouble we caused in the past 2 years. I want to say thanks to Mr. Small for being such a great principal, and I'm looking forward to the next 4 years with him as principal. Last but not least, I want to say thanks to my wonderful parents